You know I'm gonna get. You know I'm gonna get. You know I'm gonna get. You know I'm gonna get.
Today I'm going to teach you guys how to fly. Set your phone up with a tripod and start jumping, and jump and jump and jump. Then you're going to open up the InShot app. Select the video you just recorded, bring it in, and now you're going to reduce the speed to 0.90 so that you're going to be in the air for longer. Now it's time to edit. So you're going to split the video into sections, and you just want the part where your feet are in the air. So you're going to split it off and delete the part where your feet are touching the ground. You're going to do this throughout the entire video until you have yourself flying in the air the entire time. And your video is going to look like this. Now you can save it and export it into TikTok.
Okay, so let me show you guys how to jump fly on TikTok. Place your camera in one place and just start jumping around and filming it. Get this app called InShot. Find places where you're jumping and trim them. And the rest where you're switching spots, you just delete them. And you're done.